Hello guys, it has been a hot minute since I last talked to you guys. It's been a couple of weeks since my last vlog went up. Well, the last vlog was filmed August 15th, but now it is September 2nd and I'm filming again. So yeah, I've been terrible. Like we all know, I was terrible vlogging this summer. It's been really hot. Our AC upstairs is still broken. I don't know if I even mentioned that in the last vlog. Our compressor blew up. We've been waiting on a new one. They said 7 to 10 business days. It has been 3 weeks. And we still don't have a new one, so that's a whole other thing. Today has been a little bit cooler, which has been nice. I actually got to do some crafting today, which is great. And the sad part is, it's September. I go back to work in 4 days. So that part's not as fun, just because I have to start commuting again, less time to do anything, all that stuff. The other thing I didn't get to update you guys on yet is that we adopted a puppy. So we adopted a baby puppy girl from the shelter. She is 5 months old. She's currently upstairs. We've had her for exactly a week today. We got her on my birthday on August 26th, so she's upstairs chewing on a peanut butter treat. Yeah, so when she comes downstairs, I will share her with you guys. Her name is Hazel, and she's adorable, but she's also a little menace because, you know, she's teething. There's lots of stuff going on. We don't know her background. We just know that she's from Louisiana. But we think that she was possibly like in a crate her whole life, or just like locked up in a basement her whole life or something, because she seems to have a lot of anxiety, especially when she's not close to either myself or my fiance. She seems to have a lot of anxiety, so trying to crate train her has been a nightmare, because she just cries and cries and cries and cries, and then she tries to chew her way out, and she's gonna be hurting her teeth. She's been losing puppy teeth all week. She's lost 3 that I got. I know she has lost more. Yeah, so we think she's been maybe locked up her whole life, which is terrible, but here's to giving her a better life, which is gonna be good. And the reason that we think that is because her paws, you know, like puppies that haven't been outside in the world, they have very pink paws. Well, her paws were very pink when we got her, and she was just shy of like 2 days away from 5 months when we got her, or something like that. And they were super pink, like no wear and tear, no nothing. And now they're starting to turn black because we've been taking her on multiple walks a day. So now they're starting to turn black, but yeah, it's like she's been scared of everything. She didn't know what wind was outside, like just the wind blowing. She got scared of that. She would flee and like try to like run for her life anytime she like saw a car. She was wary of some people that like we have introduced her to, but she seems to be okay if you like approach her with like a very high-pitched voice. And yeah, so we've had a lot going on here, especially for the past week, but more so just pretty much all of this month. And yeah, I came on here because I wanted to show you guys my Target haul. I'm going to be making a bunch of stuff as soon as I can find my other recipes. And yeah, it's 9 o'clock at night and I'm gonna cook, because well, what else am I gonna do right now? Every time I try to craft and Hazel is in there with me, she has been chewing everything. So she's been trying to chew my craft island made of wood. She's been trying to chew everything wood. And actually today she also was trying to chew the fireplace, which is brick. So combination of teething, combination of anxiety. It could be a bunch of things of why she's chewing all these things. So I did do some research while she took a nap today, and I ordered some other like chew toy kind of things, and well, some toys that were like a smart toy to keep her busy, to help her find the treats, where she has to like manipulate the pieces to get the treat. I got her that, and then I got her something for the crate to kind of like help soothe her. So I'll make her like a frozen treat you attach to the crate. When she gets to like the bottom of it, it has like little bumps in it, which I think is supposed to be like soothing for her, to help lessen anxiety. So yeah, she's been a lot, but she's still so loving, and she loves to be in your arms. She loves to be near you all the time, and she loves to be held like a baby, like on her back. She's very adorable. Let me actually go try to find her. All right, so this is Hazel. She is on the bed enjoying her peanut butter thing, and she made a mess. You see all those spots there? Hazel, say hi. You want to see yourself? Is that you? Look, Hazel. So this is Hazel. She's, like I said, she's about 5 months. We got her at 20 pounds. Maybe she weighs more now, maybe, I don't know, but she's been doing good. She's pretty much potty trained, even though we have these pee-wee pads here. She wasn't potty trained the first few days. Lots of pooping and peeing inside the house. But now she mainly goes outside. She's only had one accident in the past like few days. So you're doing so good. But that's where my water vacuum has been coming in handy, because I've been cleaning a lot of stuff after her for the first couple of days. And that's the crate that we're trying to get her to sleep in. Hasn't been very successful. Where are you going? Why are you going to my bathroom? What are you doing? Did you say hi to everybody? She's kind of, you know, getting more comfortable with everything, and I'm surprised that she's now even okay with being upstairs when I'm downstairs, because half the time she doesn't even do that, and especially in the beginning she wouldn't do that. So yeah, that's Hazel. And before somebody asks me about Kuba, I still love Kuba. It's just that he doesn't live with me. He was like our family dog for the past 12 years. He's still well, he's still doing good. He just lives with my parents. And you know, with Babe working from home, what are you doing? You smell a treat, leave it. Leave it. Hazel, leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. And get off of me, please. Thank you. Okay, good girl. Good girl. All right, so yeah, Kuba's still doing good. He's all well. Like I said, just lives with my parents. So I'll be going back to work next week. Babe still works from home and probably forever. So he also wanted, you know, somebody to hang out with while he's at work, to keep him company. Well, while he's working from home. Okay, why are you chewing my camera strap? She's literally chewing on everything, guys. Yeah, you see yourself? But she's so adorable at the same time. So, all right, I'm gonna try to find my recipes, and then I'm gonna go downstairs and do some cooking. And actually, I gotta show you guys my Target haul still. She does have some of Kuba's old toys though, like the one she's carrying. And she's been loving that one today. I can't find the recipes for the life of me, but let me show you guys my Target haul since I'm doing that right now. Also, we ordered a DNA test for Hazel because we have no idea what she is. I think she looks like a Jack Russell Terrier. The shelter was saying like possibly Border Collie and Australian Shepherd, I think it was. I don't even know, but I think she looks like a Jack Russell Terrier and maybe mixes something else. But anyway, Target haul, I got this non-stick rolling pin. I'm very excited to try this out. Didn't know they make non-stick ones. I got this Kitchenaid pasta roller and cutter set. I bought this for my sister for her birthday, and we had used it and I loved it, and I wanted to get one too. So I bought one for myself with my birthday money. So I got that. I got a pie dish because I wanted to try and make chicken pot pie because that's like Babe's favorite. I got onions, garlic, butter, heavy cream, chicken broth, veggie broth. I needed more Worcestershire sauce. Got egg noodles, ground coriander, didn't have any of that. Got some tomato paste. And then I also bought myself this, a cordless blender kind of thing. It's an immersion blender, and I've been needing one of those, so I didn't have that either. So I got myself that as well, and I'm very happy that Target even had these in stock, so yay. What a bummer. I was trying to take out my immersion blender to put it away. It looked a little opened, but I was like, all right, that'll be fine. I continued to open it. There's no charger and there's no pan guard. So definitely something that somebody had returned, but now I have to go back and return it and go inside the store and order a new one from, I guess this time, Amazon, because this was the only one that they had. That online it showed they only had this one, so that's frustrating. All right, let's open up the pasta cutter. Let's hope that this one is complete. It also looks a little bit opened, but hopefully this one will be okay. But I mean, you could definitely tell it was opened. So let's see, we should have, I'm trying to see where the stuff is that comes in here. I mean, we should have some pasta attachments, which I see. I'm trying to make sure that none of these were used. But this looks opened because it's looking super dusty. But we'll keep trying. This one's cracked. Oh my goodness. You guys see that? Right there. It's cracked. What a bust. I tried to get some stuff for myself for my birthday. Nope. Okay guys, the only thing I'm making, I guess, is the carrot ginger soup. I have it in my Instant Pot, so I prepared all the stuff. It's like a carrot ginger coconut milk soup. I'm gonna freeze it. I think this is the one that my sister made, and it was so good, but she used fresh ginger and she grated it, which is what I wanted to do, but Target doesn't sell fresh ginger, so I couldn't go to the store because I had Hazel in the car with me, since she has like separation anxiety and she needs to be like close to you at all times. So I couldn't go to like Whole Foods or anything else, but I used ground ginger, so I'm hoping it turns out okay. And just waiting for that to cook. I'll cook some other stuff tomorrow. Yeah, and I'll probably blend up my carrot ginger soup tomorrow. The reason I needed the immersion blender was for that, but can't even use it because I gotta go return it. So that's another thing I'll have to go do tomorrow, is do the return. It's annoying, but I gotta do it before I go back to work, because then I'm not gonna get it done afterwards. I need my Instant Pot to make the other stuff, like the chicken, so can't really do anything else. I also wanted to prepare some beans, like black beans with my Worcestershire sauce and onions, and I just like having a stash of that because I think those beans are like amazing. But I do need my Instant Pot, and I can't find my other Instant Pot insert. Don't know what happened to it. When looking for it, don't know where it is. It's probably sitting in a box somewhere because we still don't have shelving in our closets, and so my pantry closet is just like piles of stuff, and so is the upstairs that we were using as our storage room because I can't put anything away yet. So hopefully that will get done next week. It is supposed to get done, I think, Wednesday next week, so after I go back to work I'll be doing a little bit of organizing, but at least it's still in the beginning of the school year and we could get like fully, hopefully, settled in. We also contacted like a tree person to get some trees removed that we need off of our property, and then after that we do need to get a little bit of a fence so that Hazel could run around and we don't have to worry about her like running onto the street. So just like a fence in the front of our house. There's a fence all around, just 2 little pieces in the front that we still need, so that she could run around. So still lots to do here, but it's coming along, and we have Hazel now. And here's my carrot soup, guys. It actually tastes pretty good. My sister and Jaden are here today, and they're just so cute, laying together. Hi, Paulina. Hello. Oh my goodness. You guys are so cute. Why do you have your face like she does? Plops down.
Look towards Hazel.
Look at Hazel. Put your head towards Hazel.
And give her a kiss.
Aww. You guys are adorable. Aww. Oh, so cute. Can't remember if I shared that my sister and I were making sourdough bread today. So this is what that looks like. I've never made it before, and she decided to try a new recipe today, so I have no idea if it's gonna work in the first place, but we were both making it. I gotta prepare it now so I can bake it tomorrow. I don't really know what I'm doing. First time ever, so let's just do like a time lapse, and yeah. But I'm not gonna walk you guys through it because I don't know what I'm doing.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
Okay guys, so it is the next morning. I just baked my sourdough bread and it looks amazing. It's my first time making it. I cannot wait to have some, but it just needs to cool down a little bit because I don't want it to deflate when it's hot bread, but oh my goodness, it looks so beautiful. So I'm gonna end this vlog here. I'm just here meal prepping for Tuesday. Today's Sunday, but Tuesday I go back to work. So cutting up my apples, I'm gonna add my almond butter. I just hard boiled some eggs, so I'm gonna be all ready to go. All right guys, so that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlogs that I did get to post this summer. I will try to be vlogging still throughout the year, but as we know, I'm not a very good vlogger anymore. I used to vlog every single day, and now it's like once a week. All right guys, well that is everything. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.